warehouse to send to the goods to the country, destination country, 50 customers, container, this entire process, this entire one process, we say as a wave. Wave 1 or wave 1, wave 2, wave, the different countries we divide. And this, all the process with the countries, okay, wave 1 or route 1, route, wave works together. Those are all the friends, okay. Like in my you can check in my video, one of the short video, warehouse process type determination indicator. It determines WPT, warehouse process type, which process, because in the system a number of hundreds of processes triggers behind the system. Process means outbound delivery process, inbound delivery process, deconsolidation process, counting, physical inventory, lots of processes, labeling, packaging specification if you have packaging, along with the different kind of materials. How system pick only the exactly unique process type, process which we are triggering. Suppose, take a live example here. In this example, we have the outbound delivery. How system, in the system, when we perform this process, how system will come to know they need to pick only the outbound deliveries. They need to process the deliveries for outbound deliveries. Somewhere in their system we have the function modules, programs, okay. How system decide? And in the business system decide through the warehouse process type, which process should be triggered, and process type determination indicator, it determines, okay. So this is about the wave plus route plus flow. Very simple. Flow means wave, wave means flow, flow of outbound deliveries, okay. Routes, waves. So here we have 1 2 3 4 routes, 1 2 3 4 waves, okay. Or in one country we have the two different states, route 1, route 2. So the wave could be combined. Inside the wave we have the deliveries, could be splitted. Wave is, that's why I say wave is very flexible. Wave is very flexible. We have the wave template, okay. Template means already one structure is there, we just enhance the properties, okay. So wave template, if you are going to implement the wave templates, if you want to implement, we must use the post processing framework, okay. So here I will take one picture and then I will rub this, then I will explain you. Okay, I will put it here, no problem. Little bit I will rub, not full. Okay, so from here I will explain you here. Wave means flow. Flow means wave. Means collection of something. What something? Outbound delivery. Wave plus routes plus transportable units plus customers plus goods, all are friends. Wave, flow, wave, collection of something, what? Outbound deliveries, routes, transportable unit, customer, goods. Means see the one logic here. Through wave we perform the outbound deliveries, we use the routes, we use the transportable unit, to deliver the goods to the customers. And this entire process we call optimization of outbound deliveries. Okay guys, thank you very much. See you again. Okay, thank you very much. Simple. Source our warehouse located in, because our warehouse located in some country, some state, different countries, different customers located in different states, different cities. The way sending route, wave 1, wave 2, route 1, wave 3, route 3, outbound delivery 3. So wave 1, route 1, outbound delivery 1, wave 2, outbound delivery 2, and route 3. Wave 3, route 3, outbound delivery 3. Wave 4, outbound delivery 4, route 4. Here we are sending the goods to the aeroplanes. Here we are sending through the goods. Here we are sending through the ships. Here we are using the trucks. These are the trucks, transportable units. It comes the transportable units. So this is the optimization of the wave management in the extended warehouse management. Thank you very much guys. See you again.